Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to enable Team Create on Roblox Studio, so let's get started. First, open Roblox Studio and either create a new game or open an existing one. In this example, I will open my own game. After it loads, go to the top menu and click on View. Then locate the Team Create button and select it. You'll be prompted to save your game to Roblox. Name your game, add a description if you like, and ensure Team Create is turned on. Click Save, and once it's done, the Team Create feature will be enabled. Once enabled, your username will appear in the Team Create list. To add collaborators, go to the top right and click Collaborate icon. Enter the username of your friend and make sure they are added as a friend on Roblox. Only friends can be given edit access. After adding them, they can access and edit the game from Roblox Studio. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.